Now, the government now says that all those who have encroached into the Mau forest will be evicted without compensation during the second phase of that exercise. Environment Cabinet Secretary Tobiko made the remarks in Suswa today, saying that the Mau forest must be restored and preserved.
There is nothing like compensation for Mau. If you are in Mau, the title you have is a paper title. It's a paper title. And you do not deserve any compensation, and you will not get a penny from government. Mau must be protected, Mau must be preserved, and those who have encroached on Mau must be evicted.